Hello, everyone. Welcome back to your favorite troubleshooting channel, Fix Netflix YouTube channel. Today we will show you how to access the secret service menu on Hisense TV. There are a lot of different codes on internet, but they do not work for all modern Hisense TVs. Here is tested code to enter secret service menu, tested by me on all series. If you stay with us all the way to the end of this video and try each of these methods, and there is very high probability that this problem will be solved for you. Before trying to enter the service menu, you have to ensure the Hisense TV original remote. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Fix Netflix for more tech tips and tutorials. So let's start it. In order to open the service menu on Hisense TV, press Menu on the TV remote. Then tap right to enter the full menu and scroll down to Sound. Then tap right and select Advanced Audio Settings. Next, scroll down and highlight the balance slider. Make sure it is on 0. Then enter 1969 on your remote. The menu will disappear and a green M will appear at the top left. Again, press Menu button on the remote. This time a service menu will appear. Here is the service menu of your TV, and you can customize all default settings. To exit from service menu, please press the exit button. So, that's the whole story, my friends. We have covered the steps to access service menu on Hisense TV. If you face any problem, please leave a comment here. I will be happy to help you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Fix Netflix for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching this video, and we will see you in the next video.